Hi, my name is Smith Galathia, and today we are going to present our practical state case study and the reporting for the subject of business analytics and fundamental. Here's all my group mates. It's Vinit, Milan, and Jay Kumar Boda. So let's start with the introduction. Our primary objective of this presentation is to provide an explanation of how to utilize the Microsoft Power BI to analyze the data pertaining to sales and the specific location. Our main purpose of this section is to provide the answers of variety of queries via the use of data analysis method. The process involves the examination, compilation of the data as well as the representation of the data by the analytics in the format that reveals patterns. Our first question is, what is the maximum longitude? It belongs to which state? As you can see there, 43.05 is the maximum longitude and it belongs to the Melbourne state. This result is shown in the card visualization. This study first import the data set into the Power BI in order to determine the maximum longitude and correspondence to it. Next, we use the transform data according to the rows and columns are properly recognized. After that, we construct an additional measures using the star mix longitude. Then we determine the associated state, utilize the card illustration to show this matrix as well as the alternative to determine maximum values as well as the condition, and utilize the data values at the longitude as well as the store desk and sorted it by the longitude in the descending orders. Our second question is, how much is the total gross margins for each state in 2017? This bar chart visualizes the total gross margin of each 30 states. As you can see, California is the top of the list with the highest gross margin. In order to use the Power BI to get overall gross margins in every state in 2017, we import the data set as well as the select the transform data into the Power Query editor, take the date column as well as the apply to 2017 filter. After, go back to the Power BI and add the total gross margin is equal to SUM, and it should be used to create a new measure. Then select the visual representation such as a bar chart in the report window. Place the total gross margin measure in the values as well as the state column on the axis, and the overall gross margin for the each state in 2017 will be shown in the configuration. And from the next question, my friend Vinit will continue from here. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Vinit Wagani and my next question is, how much is the maximum discount and by which store? So maximum discount is 1059.65 is the maximum discount by the store deals to you. In this below table, the maximum discount and the store is visualized. Load the data set into Power BI as well as select transform data to launch Power Query Editor in order to determine the maximum price reduction as well as associated shop. Make sure the discount along with store desk columns are formatted correctly. Press click and apply to access Power BI once again. Create a new measure data view by using max discount is equal to max. Go to report view, create a table visual as well as add store desk along with discount columns for visual. Show discount column should be sorted decreasing order. So next question is, which city has the maximum sales price in 2017 and how much? Yuma. So this city has the maximum sales price in 2017 2.0105k is the sales price. In this below card it is visualized. Start improving the dataset as well as launching Power Query Editor by selecting transform data in order to determine the city which with the highest sales price in 2017. Make that the columns for date city desk along with original sales priced are labeled appropriately. Take the year out of the data column as well as apply a 2017 filter. Hit close and apply. Now create measure called max sales price in data viewing using view by using max. After that, construct an additional measure city with max sales price is equal to calculate filter is equal to year. Uh, Next, make card graphics to show these metrics. And next question is which product did they sell the highest sales price in 2070? So the city in the question 4 is the Yuma city. Water is the product key. They sell the highest sales price in 2017. Start by loading the dataset as well as launching the Power Query editor by selecting transform data in order to determine the city having the highest sales price in 2017 as well as the associated product in Power BI. Make that the columns for date, city desk, original sales price along with the pro desk are formatted appropriately. Take the year out of the date column as well as apply 2017 filter on the data for Power BI to reload the data. Click close and apply to determine the maximum sales price. Establish a measure called max sales price in data view. Next, developed an additional measure called a city with max sales price to determine which city in 2070 had this maximum sales price. Lastly, construct a measure called highest price product to determine which product in that city had the highest sales price in 2017 to show these metrics in the report view. Use card visuals. Next question is which year it has the highest original sales price. The product in the question 4 is water. In the year of 2017, it has the highest original sales price. This information is visualized in the below matrix. This to use Power BI to find the product that had the highest initial sales price in a given year. Import the data sets as well as select transform data to launch the Power Query editor. Make sure you have the right names for the columns date, city, desk, original sales price as well as product desk. If the year isn't already there, take it out of the date field to reload the changed data into Power BI. Click close and apply. Make to determine the maximum sales price to determine the city having the highest sales price in 2017 along with highest product to determine the goods with the maximum sales price in that city for 2017 should all be created as a measure in a data view. Next, established a matrix called a year with max original sales price to which year to detect product's original sales price was the highest. Thank you all. Now my friend Jay will continue.
Hello everyone, myself Jay Kumar Burda. My first question is which product category has the highest fixed price in 2016? How much was it in total? So, household product category has the highest fixed price in 2016. Maximum original sales price is 2581.80 and the total price is 1.3 million. The category and the price is visualized in below matrix. To use Power BI to find the category furthering the highest original sales price in 2016, import the dataset as well as select transform data to launch the Power Query editor. Make that the original sales price data as well as category columns are all properly recognized. If needed, extract the year of the date column. Once these adjustments have been made, click close and apply to get back to Power BI. Measures total original sales price 2016, maximum original sales price 2016 as well as category with max original sales price 2016 should be created in data view to determine the total original sales price for 2016, the maximum original sales price for 2016 as well as the category with this maximum to shows this matrix and the values that correspond with use matrix visualizations. My second question is which month had the lowest gross margin and in which year? So January and the lowest gross margin in the year of 2017. The lowest gross margin is 533.88. This is visualized in the below column chart.
The title of this chart is mean gross profit by month and the year. There are 3 years such as 2016, 2017 and 2018 shows in the legend. The x-axis is represented by month and the y-axis is represented by mean gross profit. There are 12 months for each year shows in sequences. My third question is, in the year with the lowest gross profit, which product had the lowest profit and how much is that? So 2017 is the year of the lowest gross profit. Trap had the lowest gross profit. The lowest gross profit is 1.53 in the below table is visualized. This table has three columns such as products, mean gross profit as well as year. The products are trap, water, rain jacket, bucket, gloves, boots as well as nails. 1.53, 1.69, 2.0, 423.01, 888.83, 1179.63 as well as 1475.21 are the mean gross profit respectively. And my last question is, in the year with the highest gross profit, which product had the highest profit and how much is that? So 2018 is the year of highest gross profit. This year water had the highest profit and the profit is almost 4k. In the below card and the column chart, this information are visualized. In order to determine which product made the most profit as well as which year had the highest gross profit, import the information into Power BI along with use the Power Query Editor to add a new column for the year. Click close and apply after making sure the original sales price, date as well as category columns are properly recognized. To discover the year with the highest total gross profit, establish a measure in data view called year with max gross profit as well as some gross profit for each year using total gross profit by year. Next, make highest profit product max year to determine which product made the most profit in the given year along with total product profit to add up gross profit for every product. Lastly, to determine the greatest profit amount, establish highest profit amount in max year. To show this matrix, use card as well as matrix visualizations. Next slide will be present by my team member Milan Khadela. Thank you so much.
Hi, my name is Milan Khadela and my next topic is dashboard 1. The above figures visualize a dashboard contains 6 visualization and 1 slicer. The first visualization is for maximum longitude and the state. The second visualization is for the total gross margin by states. The third visualization is for maximum discount by stores. The fourth visualization is for maximum sales price with the city, and the fifth visualization is for the city with the maximum sales price and the product. The last visualization is for matrix of for highest product price with the year, and the slicer is for the year. And the next topic is dashboard 2. The above figures visualize a dashboard contains 6 visualization and 1 slicer. First visualization is a table for category with maximum original sales price 2016, the max original sales price and the total original sales price. The second visualization is a table for product with minimum gross profit by year. The third visualization is a column chart for maximum gross profit by month and year. Fourth visualization is a tree map for month by category. The fifth visualization is for the product of highest gross profit with the year. And the last next topic is dashboard 3. The above figures visualizes a dashboard contains 6 visualization and 1 slicer. First visualization is a map. The second visualization is a waterfall chart. The third visualization is a chart for gross profit by state. Fourth visualization is a line chart. The fifth visualization is a column chart. The last visualization is a pie chart. The slicer is for the state. And the next topic is conclusion. There are two Excel files data included in the dataset. These files including the geographical data as well as the clinical data. As soon as one connects this data set, they will be able to see the performance of cell across a number of different geographical areas and get insight from them. The second file is where the geographical data that has been gathered can be found. This data serves as an introduction to the specify of the state or city. And the last slide is references. Here we put some references regarding these topics. Thank you so much.